We are now at the end of session activity. Thank you for joining me so far on this journey. It was a very exciting one. I hope you gain a lot of knowledge from this session. Now, to test your understanding, let's attempt an online activity via the ULearn platform. Now, when you go into the forum, you will see a question posed there, which is, as a future engineer, technologist, scientist, business consultant, in what areas do you see yourself playing a key role in addressing the issue of sustainable development and climate change? Post your answers in the forum, and I will come into the forum and interact with you as well. This is the end of the video lecture series on the principles of sustainable development. I hope through these lecture series, you have understood the basic concepts of sustainability as well as climate change and how these interrelate and impact upon us as individuals as well as a society. Stay tuned for more updates and more reading materials in the platform. Till then, take care.